Hey, Nomadic Weather Bear here, back safe and sound at the RV park, and just waiting for these thunderstorms to roll in. Pretty nice looking clouds with it. And hopefully we'll get a nice dose of rain. That would be nice. Heard some thunder. Haven't seen any lightning yet. Just look over the valley and really nice striations to it. And it's just that one cell, or cluster of storms actually, that's moving up. There's another cell over here, over the valley. That should go west of us. And then back you can see nice and sunny over the valley area. But it'd be nice to get a little rain out of this puppy. You can definitely hear some thunder off in the distance. And here comes an airplane. Looks like that's Southwest Air. And flying right into the thunderstorm. And I just saw a flash of lightning. I should be hearing some thunder here soon. You can hear it over the jet. I did see a cloud to ground earlier, so we should hear a little crackle. There it is. Nothing like desert thunderstorms. I don't know what kind of winds we're going to get out of this puppy. It'd be pretty gusty. Might have to bring the chairs in.
Yeah, give me fold them up.
Might be a good idea. At least fold them up and we can lay them on the blanket. That might keep the blanket from blowing away. Not like we haven't been to the desert before, huh? We know what it's like. These storms usually bring quite a bit of wind with them. There's Connie at work. Those chairs are fun to fold, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're kind of stubborn.
Very stubborn. Home sweet home. Yeah, getting a little outflow out of it already. There's that other, a nice rain shower over there coming down over the valley. Now we're starting to get some wind now. Little breeze. Thunder. Did you see another cloud to ground?
All right.
Put that.
All right.
Easier than I thought it would be.
I got another lightning strike.
Right on. You're a professional.
No, I'm not. It was right there.
Cloud to ground.
Yep. What proof?
There's a nice rain streak over there, too, over the valley. There's a little green tinge to it. See that? Just slight green.
Yep.
So there's some hail up there probably. But been any warnings issued yet for this storm. Looks like the vast majority, or the strongest cell looks like it's going to go east of us. Have to check out the radar. That's okay. There'll be more.
I should have been. I should have been.
That's right.
It was blowing me around.
That was a nice crackle. Hopefully everyone's got their awnings in and their loose items or
Chairs.
their chairs, which might blow away anyway. We're kind of down in a little valley here though. With these rocks block us a little bit, but not that much.
Like getting her dog walking before the storm.
The neighbors look really excited.
Yeah, we're all watching for the storm. Ah!
That was good cloud
Did
ground.
you see it?
Sure did.
I did not expect it.
That's when they get you when you least expect it. Starting to feel a little rain.
Me too. A little misty rain. Clean off the rocks.
I didn't know they were dirty.
But without rain, they probably have dust.
It's been pretty rainy summer here though, I think. So there's the radar. You can see all that lightning just off to our east. And there is hail. The red indicates hail. But looks like the strongest part of the cells are going right around us. This one might clip us though. Definitely worth watching. I'm gonna head back outside. Check it out. Well, we're gonna get clipped by this end of it. So we should get some good rain if it continues moving the way it's moving.
I guess it's not a little bit.
It's not a full morning.
Did you see that?
Yeah, sure did. Nice and cool too. Probably cool down in the 60s. So here's a look at the other cell that's missing is to our west. You can see that there's a good downpour there. But the strongest cell is still to our east. Might have to watch the rest of it from indoors there, please. It's pretty. At least we're not the highest spot, so we should be safe. But you never
I will not stand on the wall.
Don't stand on the wall or on top of the RV.
No.
Even those guys are higher than we are. So there's a little bit of hills. Oh, that's a pretty one. 5, 6, 7, 2 miles away. That particular strike. 10 seconds.
You're out of a chunk.
Yeah, inside. I hope I wonder if I should bring the table in the Cuisinart. I mean, that could easily blow over in a good wind. I don't know what kind of wind gust this thing has with it though, but might not be a bad idea. Hold that. Want to hold it? Just keep an eye on the storm, and
Okay.
I'll just grab it. Tables really wouldn't be much to not get over.
Yeah, that's true.
Wind chime.
Sounds pretty, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
Not take much to do this. More lightning?
No. Kind of
More strikes
surprised.
since you've been rolling.
Uh-uh.
We're gonna get so excited when the storm's coming. Maybe it's dying off. Doesn't look like it is.
It's right overhead.
There's good heavy rain shafts right just to our east. But yeah. There's Starlink giving us internet. Oh wow, somebody says something. There's lightning out that direction too. Not as much. Yeah, that's a nice little cell over there too. This one's bigger, has a lot more hail and
Look
lightning.
how blue it is right there.
Yep. In between. It's kind of like I said, both cells are kind of going around us a little bit. We're kind of getting split, so we're not going to get that hit with the heaviest rain, it doesn't look like.
But we're getting rain.
Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit. Here comes the rain again. Ah, the desert smells so nice when it rains. There's the big cell out there to the west. And the horn just honked all by itself. I think we'll step inside here.